Gatho cia mwanya ni gucoka ndirehoka ni urathie na mbere wega na gikorwo ni rita ria kuria mbere wacemania na page ino karibu sana na korwo gi subscribe turaria ndeto cia Ngoni Thuita ore matope na muthee Kiengei. Ngoni Thuita ni are mukuhitha gikeno giake ati nyumba iria muthee Kiengei wa watoria arakaga kuria Nyandarua ni mukawa magiteretanga kuria kwa social media thutha wa Kiengei kuuga ucio ni mukawa ti nyumba yake ya guikara. Ngoni Thuita ore matope auga okiugo kimwe kuri Kiengei ni hongera sana mzimbiting na Kiengei akira Ngoni arehe andu mukawa rigu rifiti. Ngoni uri okuihuritwo ni gikeno kumenya murata we arakaga mukawa kiuga lazima akinye mwena-ini ucio wa Nyandarua. Through hashtag Kiengei arauga uyu ni mucii wa the Asrin Nyandarua Resort, acoke kira hashtag ingi akiuga home away from home. Koguo ti nyumba arakaga kuria Nyandarua ni mukawa arakaga na ndirakwira mukawa ucio rifiti. Oro hau ni arekereria ndumiriri kuri followers ake akimera ni wega gukorwo ugi support murata waku na tikuga ati wa support murata waku ati Ngai ni akurega gukurathima kana wira ucio ni ukurega guthie na mbere. Oniguo akugaga if you can't celebrate people that are ahead of you, if you can't be happy for others when they get promoted, when their child gets a scholarship, when they get married, when they see a dream come to pass, then it's going to limit how high God is going to take you. Don't have a small-minded mentality. Your friend being promoted doesn't mean God can't promote you. Your family member moving into that nice house shouldn't intimidate you. It should inspire you. God didn't run out of favor. If he did it for them, he can do it for you. Bila shaka nituona murata umwe wa Kiengei ugwitwo Ngoni Thuita agikenerera muno wira ucio na tukauga tuthi na mbere na kugia arata mara support dreams citu magakorwo makikenerera riria twahikania riria twaka kanyumba kega riria ciana citu ciagia scholarship. Ni wega gukorwo tugikenerera maundu ma andu acio angi na tukuga ati Ngai ni anyiheirwo ni favors Ngai ni agukorwo na ithuĩ agiturathima. Tugukinya ndeto icio hau tuonane in our next video na ndukariganirwo ni go subscribe.
Goko ni gwa Gikuyu Community News. Make sure no subscribe niguo kamenya gwatinda atia, gwake atia na gwatuka atia.